Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been having a great time over the last 1 month. Bitcoin is up 13% on a monthly time frame. Bitcoin is up 45% on a yearly time frame. How high can we go over the next few weeks? In this video we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Bitcoin has broken into new yearly highs. Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $31,400. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, taking a look at Bitcoin's market cap, currently at $587 billion. Can we get to that magical $600 billion region? We'll also take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market that's been on a tear of late, pumping to higher values. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin has renewed optimism in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has given us hope that everything can pump to higher prices. BlackRock has filed for their Bitcoin spot ETF, and that in turn has given altcoins and Bitcoin push to pump to higher prices. Bitcoin is up 13% on a weekly time frame. On a yearly time frame, Bitcoin started the year around $16,000. Bitcoin has rallied up to as high as $30,000. That's good to see. This is the highest Bitcoin has traded since June of 2022. Guys, I always tell you guys we can't continue dumping to Goblin Town forever. At some point in time, we'll start pumping to higher prices, and it looks as if we have gotten to that season. Now, Bitcoin was still holding that $31,000 level as the yearly high, but over the last few weeks, Bitcoin has gone to as low as $25,000. We saw people calling for Bitcoin to return back to $20,000, but Bitcoin has given us that reassurance that the bottom is in. We are ready to start pumping to higher prices. We saw a very clean back test for Bitcoin, getting to $31,000, coming to back test that $25,000. Guys, we spent about 8 months trading below $25,000. I always told you guys on this channel, I believe at some point in time, Bitcoin was going to come back to test that $25,000. And luckily for us, Bitcoin came back exactly to that $25,000 level. And we got a wonderful bounce of the $25,000 region. And in just 9 days, Bitcoin went from $25,000 to as high as $31,000. Now, next levels to watch out for Bitcoin. These are key levels to watch out for Bitcoin over the next few weeks. We might see Bitcoin finding resistance at this level. Bitcoin might get rejected and start dumping to Goblin Town. But for now, we should start paying attention to $32,500. If Bitcoin can rally above that, we might have a very short trip to $35,000. This will be another important level where a lot of market participants will start getting very bullish. Right now, they still disbelieve in the market. People are still not believing that Bitcoin will continue pumping to higher prices. I've seen a lot of technical analysts telling us that, right now, we've had a false break to the upside. We'll see a huge jump to Goblin Town. But what they forget is that Bitcoin is up around 100% from the bear market bottom. And when we get to that $35,000 level, Bitcoin would have been up around 130%. And then the bears will be very happy that maybe the bear market is over. The bulls will get very bullish. At that $35,000 level, guys, Bitcoin will be just around 50% from its all-time high. And guess what? A lot of market participants are going to get bullish, and I probably see Bitcoin finding resistance at that level. We saw Bitcoin finding support at that region way back in 2022. We caught a bounce of that $35,000 region, and that bounce took Bitcoin to as high as $48,000. Even if Bitcoin can rally above $35,000, guys, we might still face possible rejection at the $41,000 region. Just some few weeks ago, if I told you guys Bitcoin is rallying towards $40,000, nobody would have believed. We're expecting Bitcoin to go to $20,000, maybe even go lower than that. But right now, as the market is bullish, as the market is getting optimistic, a lot of people are expecting way higher prices. I've been hearing talks of $100,000 of new all-time highs. We have to take this one step at a time. We've gotten to that $30,000 level from where we're currently trading for Bitcoin to rally towards $42,000. Bitcoin will have to go up by 37%. Knowing that the market is very volatile, knowing how volatile the crypto markets can be, a 37% pump to the upside can happen between now and August. Is it coincidence that last year we saw an alt season? Last year, June, July, and August, we saw the market collectively moving to higher values. I'll not be shocked if that repeats itself again. The only difference is that last year we got rejected at the $25,000 level, and this year we are not yet in July, and we have seen Bitcoin rally above $30,000. Bitcoin has over 4 million people keeping it on their watch list on CoinMarketCap, with a market capitalization right now of $590 billion. Bitcoin has a fully diluted market cap sitting around $638 billion. A maximum supply of 21 million coins, over 19.4 million of those coins are in circulation. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency originally described in the 2008 wallpaper by a person or group of people using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. It was launched soon after in January of 2009. If you want to get Bitcoin for yourself deep in the bear market, as we're getting ready for another wonderful bull run, you can get Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Bitstamp, on Kraken. Guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin right there. If you take a look at Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum, similar bear market movements with the previous bear market, Bitcoin always performs better than Ethereum in the bear market. A lot of people run towards safety when they're in trouble. But this bear market, we have seen something different. Even though people run towards Bitcoin, Ethereum has not had this kind of huge dumps to gobbling town after Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin in the bull market. Since 2021, we have been seeing have some dumps, we have been seeing have some pumps along the way, but right now you can get one Bitcoin with 16 Ethereums. So if we see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin over the next few weeks, that value should reduce. The lowest we've seen the value get to over the last few years was deep in December of 2021 when Ethereum got to $4,800. You could get one Bitcoin with 11 Ethereums. Very good to see. It's good to check Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum so that you know whether you're outperforming Ethereum or you're underperforming against Ethereum. And we've seen that during the bullish period when we've seen altcoin season, Bitcoin also underperform against Ethereum in those conditions. I have not seen any altcoin season right now in the market. Right now, the altcoin season index is telling us we're in Bitcoin season. The altcoin season telling us we are in Bitcoin month. Let's take a look at sentiment in the market, guys. Sentiment in the market is still greed. We are seeing greed return to the cryptocurrency market. There was greed yesterday. There was greed today. And I'm sure by next week, we'll still see greed, if not extreme greed, return to these markets. We have been stuck around fear and neutral for a very long time. And we're taking a look at this crypto fear and greed index over the last 1 year. You'll see that this year has been a roller coaster of emotions, but we have not still seen extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. When we start seeing extreme greed, guys, that will be a telltale sign. Maybe just maybe this rally is coming to an end, but right now we might still be pushing higher. We've seen Bitcoin dominance finally break above that 48% region where we talked about in the previous video where I told you guys Bitcoin dominance is going to the moon. Bitcoin dominance has gotten to as high as 51.63%. Now, Bitcoin dominance going up is good for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is how new participants get into the space. From Bitcoin, they learn about altcoins. From Bitcoin pumping, your altcoin will pump. So right now, as Bitcoin dominance is still going to higher values, I believe the altcoin market is waiting for Bitcoin to finish this rally. If Bitcoin's dominance continues pumping to higher values, we might see it facing some possible resistance when we start getting to that 53-54% region. Maybe a temporary pullback for the altcoin market. Bitcoin's market cap has rallied towards that $600 billion level. I'll use that Fibonacci retracement to key levels for Bitcoin market cap in the next few weeks. Bitcoin's market cap, as we are pumping to higher prices, is very important. We saw the top of Bitcoin's previous bull run being predicted by the market cap since December of 2018. So you want to pay attention to Bitcoin's market cap, as Bitcoin's market cap is rallying towards that $600 billion level. Another key level to pay attention to will be the $686 billion level. We can get rejected there. It's a big resistance waiting for us. Best case scenario, we might see Bitcoin's market cap getting to as high as $800 billion. If we see Bitcoin's market cap getting to that $800 billion and all coins start going crazy, that might be the end of this relief rally. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Bitcoin going over the next few days? Bitcoin is trading above $30,000 right now. Do you think we're going to get to new all-time highs? Where do you see this rally coming to an end? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.